여러분, 파이썬은 다성이 모음 비수어 언어가 아니라 아이디어를 실제 시스템으로 바르게 구현할 수 있게 해주는 언어입니다. 그동안 우리는 AI를 활용해 더 나은 보안 도구를 만들고 자동화를 구현하고 인간이 감당하기 어려운 문제를 해결해 왔습니다. 하지만 한 가지 사실을 분명합니다. 공격적 유시 같은 기술을 사용할 수 있습니다. 오늘 이 세상에서는 AI가 어떻게 공격 목표 웹사이트를 스스로 봉쇄하고 판단하고 공격까지 수행할 수 있는지를 보여드리겠습니다. 파이썬은 이 모든 자율성을 연결해주는 핵심 언어입니다. 이 파편은 과장된 미래 이야기가 아닙니다. 현재 기술로 이미 가능한 공격 방식에 대한 이야기입니다. 한국어가 아직 많이 서툴어서 지금부터 파편을 영어로 이해하겠습니다. 양해 부탁드립니다. 시작하겠습니다. Hello everyone, and you can call me Nofrat. I'm currently working as AIFT, responsible for the AI reteaming, and which involve attacking and testing AI systems, and conducting related AI security research, and developing various AI security products. And as a final year's university student, I balance my study with this role, and bringing a fresh perspective to my work. And I have presented cybersecurity research and numerous domestic and international conferences, and collaborating with technical experts to develop innovative tools for the field. And additionally, I have discovered vulnerability across various platforms and contributing to enhanced security solutions. Over the next 30 minutes, we will explore 5 key chapters. First, I'll dive into the evolution of AI and its impact on cybersecurity. And next, we'll unveil our innovative framework for autonomous AI attack. And get ready for the live demo showcasing the AI hacker in action. I'll also compare the AI versus human strategy in the battle of wits. And finally, reflect on the ethical dilemma these technical risks. Let's get started. So as we dive in, let's consider this question: how are the cybercriminals leverage AI to transform the threat landscape? This session will explore the risk of AI in cyber attack and setting the stage for the innovative tool and strategy we'll uncover today. When we explore the question, why is the Python the go-to language for the AI and cybersecurity? So Python is in automating tasks like penetration testing and vulnerability scanning, and candidate favorite for security research. It reaches system supports data analysis and visualization, while its readability and platform independence attract developers worldwide. Python also powers legal and ethical framework, and its growing community ensure continuous innovation. Let's dive into how Python shaped our AI-driven cyber offensive strategy. Let's check out this slide comparing linear regression across language. Python with scheduler shared with this example. And readable syntax, just a few lines to feed and predict. And JavaScript with TensorFlow and Kotlin with 8 more complete setup and steps, making them harder to follow. Python is of use, making it the top choice for the AI test. So it starts with attacker using AI to automate tasks like vulnerability scanning and exploit development, powered by machine learning that adapt to event detection. So as AI accelerates data gathering and quickly identify target and weakness through vast data analysis. And this leads to sophisticated phishing, where tools like ChatGPT craft email with a 60% success rate, unveiling human expert. Finally, AI-enabled deepfake scan, such as cloning a CEO voice to check employee into urgent transfers, and showcasing the power of AI in social engineering. This is a future of cyber offensive we are exploring today. Can AI fully automate attack on target? So let's push it and think about this. Imagine an AI system independently identifying vulnerability, even executing attack and adapting in real time, so without human input. And could this be the future of cyber offensive? As we move forward, we'll explore these questions through our framework and demo. Take a moment to reflect. So, what do you think? Let's step in. So, in the coming minute, one of the key elements of our AI-driven attack framework is needed operational mechanism and uncover how it could transfer the execution of cyber attack. Get ready to explore this groundbreaking approach in its potential impact. So let's dive in. The first will present the framework for our AI-driven security testing engine designed to identify vulnerability in web application. Let's walk through the high-level process structure into the different key stages. It begins with the script startup, so the user input a target website. We set the appropriate AI model and set out the login to check progress. As in the tool preparation, we initialize the tool like pursue, process, and pre-browser. So then launch a real-time attack screen to monitor the process. And the part 2, let's move into web attack surface discovery. The engine analyzes the target website, first is HTML structure to check strong and URL parameter, and summarize the page comment. And a manual interaction is needed. For authentication, we prompt the user in the manual interaction phase. The heart of our framework is the AI attack strategy, which is and analyze the page for OWASP top 10 vulnerability, like character script, sequence injection, CSRF, defining a system prompt generated by state-by-state attack plan, and stored in the database. Finally, in the execute each attack plan, the engine fetch this plan, initialize history checking, and use the reasoning loop to execute action building from or around JavaScript, optimizing the attack continuously. And in the end execution, they generate a summary report, install it, and notify the user and close all resources. This will ensuring a systematic AI-driven approach to security. I will dive deeper into each session now. Focusing on the Gemini safety setting as an example. So you will notice the self-safety settings are configured with flag none, threshold across categories like harassment and hate speech, free content, and dangerous material. This data indicate minimal filtering, allowing the AI to process potential sensitive input without restriction. So for our AI-driven attack framework, understanding and adjusting this setting is key to unlocking full functionality. So this is highlighting the balance between safety and flexibility in AI application. So let's move forward with this in mind. The process starts by setting a trunk size of 10,000 characters, splitting the page source into the manageable segment if needed, and summarizing each trunk individually. These summarized are then combined into the structure prompt and covering page overview, an interactive element, dynamic feature, and security relevant item. Finally, the LLM process is combined into generated a detailed output. The LLM process page data with the constant prompt, analyzing for OWASP top 10 issues like ingestion and insufficient login. Delivering detailed insight, we define the sys testing the LLM as an expert bug counter and append it to the history for structure analysis. This data point the AI for precise security testing. And here, showcasing the AI planning engine, which crafts multi-step attack path. It begins with the LLM input identifiability, so like from or API, and moving to the reasoning loop to simulate parallel affinity across content, such as DLL or JavaScript. The engine then applies contrast to ensure bio-context-aware command, composing them into a structured sequence, syncing, building the flow, and waiting, then submitting. So this process generates a clear and executable plan and ready to check complete attack scenarios. Where we explore our AI-driven attack execution through the interactive reasoning and action loop. A process kicked off by retrieving an attack path plan from the database, guiding the LLM to target vulnerability with top 10 focus, like SQL injection, hidden stakes action, such as injecting payload, tracking every move with detailed log, and capture response like HDO or state call, with state tracking ensuring logic flow, like submitting after building. AI adapt interactively, refining strategy based on success or new insight until the plan is complete. Let's take a quick look at our framework's streamlined architecture. At its heart, our autonomous AI attack system uses predefined scenario to steer the engine, which manages logging, planning, and execution, leveraging an enhanced LLM for precise function call, supported by a short-term memory loop to interact with tasks, call, and tool, and long-term memory and the meta data store enhance learning and adaptation. So this tight integration of the LLM with execution loop, power intelligence, and self-sufficient attack. So let's get ready to see our framework in action. In this demo, we will unveil our AI-driven attack system as it independently target a system and adapt dynamically to obstacle and execute a strategy live. So you are about experiencing precision and smart decision making firsthand. So let's dive into the exciting world of AI hacking now. So let's start our demo one. As the video begins, you will notice the AI launched real-time attack while simultaneously strategizing its next move. Watch close as it targets a website requiring login, initiating a brute force attack to crack the account password and access the admin backend for deeper exploitation. You will see the AI adapting on the fly, occasionally attempting other injection tactics, while fine-tuned prompt to guide its focus. So let's observe this dynamic process unfold. So you will see here keep to trying different password and finally successful to log in the dashboard. So let's see the demo 2. As I start, so you will see the AI checking the website not just with brute force but also attempting directory traversal to explore hidden paths. Watch here is the spot injectable fail and try virus injection attack, adapting the strategy on the fly, and you'll get overview of the AI solve process. So let's input, output, and reaction to success or failure, and pass the entire patch content to analyze and guided decision. And finally, you'll open the burst soup to rebuild the AI agent and the website detail response. It can giving you the very clear picture of the attack flow. So let's compare the AI and human attacker. So AI shifted with rapid and large-scale vulnerability and analysis and real-time adaptation powered by massive data. So in reality, failure human offer crafting a best strategy to outsmart recorded system, while AI excel at pattern recognition and human better navigate complete context and ethnic nuances. So let's dive deeper into this contrast. where we compared human penetration tester and our LLM-driven AI during an attack test on the NEAR system. So here, when asked by the supervisor, the human tester starts by receiving the command, drawing on their ability to interpret it and conducting thorough reconnaissance to get insight. They can see verification and advise units attack stack based on their findings. So meanwhile, the LN also receives the command, and interpreting is trend pattern and building knowledge to ask questions. It automatically reconnaissance with preset script and choose the strategy from its existing playbook. Human penetration tester launch their tone strategy, adapting dynamically as they go, while keeping the supervisor updated with ongoing feedback to refine their approach. Once finished, they complete the detail and reflect report. On the other hand, the LLM runs preset attack script with adjustments linked to building pattern, lacking the real-time interaction with the supervisor. The reports are auto-generated based purely on the script result. So during the same phase, human attacker leans on their personal expertise and intuition, while attack hints on the depth of their data pool as we see. So humans often step into tweak elements to enhance the attack success. Both approaches have unique strengths, so humans shift with flexibility and creative problem solving, and so they can be slower. So meanwhile, an attack offers speed and cost efficiency, but struggle with adaptation. So as we conclude, let's ponder the impact of AI in automated attack and the ethical challenges ahead. Our project highlighted the AI strengths alongside its struggle with the intricate situation, working both its potential and limit. So this experience urges us to focus on the responsible innovation and future protection. So let's discuss this vital topic now. So our autonomous AI framework offers great potential. Real-world web application pose units harder, and patch often shift dynamically, and response can obscure elements truthful. Sometimes the AI misjudges the front as an SQL injection target when it actually for file upload. Multi-step front also stumbled as it struggles to link action logically. We are refining how the engine interprets context and sequence steps, especially with JavaScript-driven content, to close the gap toward human-like insight. As for how AI is reshaping the rating versus routing landscape, in the past, rating decided its and chess attack route, while routing shifted through backlog to spot rate. A time-consuming effort for both. So now the AI shift again, and rating can set a goal like reach the network, and AI delivers instance attack frame and payload, slashing preparation time. And routing gains from AI real-time analysis of EDR and logs, and spotting audits and automating events. It's all about acceleration now. Step both sides. So here is our reference session. This project drove inspiration from a wide range of research papers and open source initiatives that have guided our testing and development. While our framework may have room for growth, we are committed to ongoing enhancement to strengthen it. This valuable resource continues to shape and refine our work. As we close, I'm grateful to everyone for diving into this exploration of AI in cyber attack with us. So if you have questions or ideas, feel free to chat with me from the linking or email. I will reply you as soon as possible. So thank you everyone. Thank you for your time.